Hello, my dear children. Children, today in English phonics, we are going to do a small worksheet from the topic Two Sounds of C. Children, in the previous video, we have learned two sounds of C, right? So, today we are going to do a small worksheet. Sort out the words and write them under the correct C sound. Now, see the first word, C-A-R. How do we read this? K-R. Car. Car. Here C is before A. It says the sound of K. Hard sound, right? Car. So write here C-A-R. Car. Hard C. Next F-A-C-E. How do we read this? Face. 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 Here C is before E. It says the sound of S. Soft C. Face. So write here F-A-C-E. Face. Okay, soft C. Next word is C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Castle. Here C is before A. Here C is before A. It says the sound of K. K. Okay, hard C. Castle. So write here C-A-S-T-L-E. Castle. Hard C. Next, R-A-C-E. How do we read this? Ace. Race. Race. Here C is before E. It says the sound of S. Soft C. Race. So write here R-A-C-E. Race. Next is C-E-L-L. How do we read this? Cell. Cell. Here C is before E. So it says the sound of S. Cell. Cell. Soft C. So write here C-E-L-L. Cell. Next word is C-O-W. How do we read this? Cow. 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 Here C is before O. So it says the sound of K. Cow. Hard C. So write here C-O-W. Cow. Next word is C-A-B-L-E. How do we read this? Cable. 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 Hard C, right? Here C is before A. So it says the sound of K. So write here C-A-B-L-E. Cable. Next, C-E-R-E-A-L. Cereal. Cereal. Here C is before E. It says the sound of S. Cereal. Soft C. So write here C-E-R-E-A-L. Cereal. Next word is C-I-T-Y. City. City. Here C is before I. So it says the sound of S. City. City. Soft C. So write here C-I-T-Y. City. Next word is C-O-T. How do we read this? Cot. 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 Here C is before O. And it says the sound of K. Cot. Hard C. So write here C-O-T. Cot. Next word is C-A-P. How do we read this? Cap. 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 Here C is before A. So it says the sound of K. Cap. Hard C. So write here C-A-P. Cap. Next word is C-E-N-T. Scent. Scent. Here C is before E. So it says the sound of S. Scent. Scent. Soft C. So write here C-E-N-T, scent. Next word is C-U-B. How do we read this? Cub. 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 Here C is before U. So it says the sound of K. Cub. So write here C-U-B, cub. Hard C, right? And the last word is C-E-N-T-R-E. How do we read this? Center. Center. Here C is before E. So it says the sound of S. Soft C. Center. Center. So write here C-E-N-T-R-E. Center. So children, we have completed our worksheet. Now what you have to do? You have to watch the video carefully and copy neatly in your English classwork notebook. Okay? Bye bye.